Okay, here's a video on how to play FPV Freerider under Windows 10 using your Devo7E transmitter, which has already the Deviation Firmware using the USB cable. Okay, so first of all, let's plug in the USB cable into the side of the transmitter. Now turn off the radio. Okay, and hold down the ENT button and then power it on. Okay, now it is in USB mode. Tap to choose what happens. Okay, so the computer already detected the drive of the transmitter. Let's open a new file explorer window. Here is Devo7E, that's the drive letter of the transmitter itself. I called it that way when I installed the Deviation Firmware. Okay, so let's go to the models folder on the Devo7E drive. Enter models and we should copy a file. Don't change the file name, it's called model1ini. You can either simply copy this file onto the transmitter and overwrite it, but if you already have another model saved there, then you should not just overwrite it, but copy the content of this file to a new one. So let's do it that way, the more complex way. So right click on it, open with, and open it with WordPad. So as you can see, it's for FPV Freerider. Press Ctrl and A on the keyboard to select all of the contents. All of them are selected. Right click on it and copy. Copy everything. Now select a model which is not used, let's say model 3. Right click on it and open with WordPad also. Open with WordPad. Now select everything, Ctrl A, and paste it over, Ctrl plus V. Okay, so that's the new model name, which is for FPV Freerider. Now just save the file, click on the save button up here. Text only format, okay, choose yes. Close the window, you can close that one also. Now you should power off the radio, leave the cable there and power it back on. Okay, now it's on model 5. Let's search for FPV Freerider. Press the ENT button. ENT again to enter model menu. Enter model setup and enter load. Okay, now FPV Freerider is the third one. As you can see, model 1, none, and FPV Freerider. Enter that one. Just press a button. You can exit it from here. Now FPV Freerider is mentioned there. Start the game itself, the simulator, FPV Freerider. USB controller should be here. And Calibrate Controller, click here. Okay, center all sticks, as it says. So move the left stick to 50%, somewhere there. Okay. Click the OK button. Now move the left stick to the left. So left stick to the left and click OK. Now move the left stick to the top and click OK. Move the right stick to the left, click OK. Move the right stick to the top and click OK. Now both of the sticks are in the center. If not, use the trim things and adjust them, both of them. And if I move the stick, then it should move there also. The right stick also. Now accept it and choose a track, let's say that one. And it's in acro mode and FPV. Now let's try it. And yes, it's working. So that's how to set up FPV Freerider with the Deviation Firmware under Windows 10. I tried it with Windows 7 and it did not work. The yaw stick was not working. Everything else was working, but the yaw was not working. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.